Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today let's do a little flint and steel practice. We're going to use my steel made out of a Nicholson file, some chert, and we'll use some char cloth placed about a 1/16 of an inch behind that sharp edge and make those sparks jump up on top and ignite it. Then we'll go ahead and cast sparks downward onto some charred punkwood. Let's see how it goes. Starting off with the char cloth. Even though I've already got these threads that the spark can catch on here and here, I still like to tear it in half and try to expose these other threads, these fresh threads that have not been exposed to the outside world. And that just seems to work better for me. We'll line them up on top of one another carefully. Find a sharp place on the chert. Looks like this is sharp enough right here. And go for it. All right, now for the charred punkwood. Let's just go ahead and pile it up inside these pine needles here. I'm gonna save that big piece. Since we're doing it like that, I'll just put some smaller pieces down in there. You can't really see the orange glow of that ember because it's down on the bottom. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.